This is the most intricate coin puzzle namin. This is made from an actual US currency, or in this case, it's a silver large dollar na Morgan, 1921 or over 100 years na to. Ngayon, paano nagawa to? This was possible by using a handsaw na yung blade niya sing nipis ng buhok or 0.0021 inches thick, ganun kanipis. Yung pattern na nakikita nyo ngayon, this is handmade or manual lahat yan. Ibig sabihin walang assistance ng machine, computer, or whatsoever. Everything is done by hand. Para mabuo yung mga puzzles na to, tatlo ang kailangan mong bagay. Number 1 is patience, number 2 is a tweezer, number 3 is aspirin para sa sakit sa ulo mo. After cutting each piece, idadust yan, tapos ipapolish yan by hand isa-isa. So buong process na to, it takes about 6 to 8 hours for this coin alone para makumpleto. Itong particular puzzle na to, this is total of 55 puzzle pieces. This was made by Jeremy Barrett, and based on my research, 15 years na niyang ginagawa to. Kaya naman namin nasabi na ito yung most intricate kasi there are total of 55 puzzle pieces on this coin alone.